Get it.
Come here.
Get it.
Come here.
Yes, sir. Get it.
Yeah.
It's under the hammer.
Come here. Give me the box.
Give me the box.
Give me the box. Yes, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. Give me the box.
He runs with it. Well, come on, Sirius, get it. Don't just nibble it. It's like, whatever, I want you. The part already got off.
That's too easy to get out of now.
Yeah. It's not working so well, is it, bud? You're gonna have to actually use critical thinking. No, now he's just gonna rip it.